Hello guys, this is Shubham Agarwal, and in this video I will tell you about my YouTube experiment of where I started a new channel for YouTube automation. Okay, so the channel name was Insta Comics, and I released a good number of videos on it, like 40 videos on this channel, and I was able to get some 22,000 views on this channel. The problem that the lies that I want to tell you about is when I first started this channel, I was using my own voice to narrate the shorts, but going forward I opted for AI voice, but nonetheless I was getting some sort of views. But after a certain point, like roughly around here, this video, the views just stopped. Like this video got 11 views. A lot of views could have been of me only, or of my brother. Then I released a next video the next day, and this video also got 12 views. Then another video the next day, this video got 10 views. At this point I was wondering what happened to this channel. Then after a few days I released another video, this one. This video looks like this video got 609 views, but in reality this video didn't get any views at all, also 0 views. I had to run a promotion for this video. Then I released another video. I didn't run any promotion for this video. Maybe I watched a few of it myself, and it was also literally 0 views. I released another video like this one, and this short also got literally 0 views. I had to buy another promotion, and at this point I think this channel is pretty much dead, because the last 6 videos on this channel have been literally 0 views. Other than that, over the past few months I wasn't able to release new videos on this channel because I was working on this channel. I am working on 5 different channels right now, this being one of them. This is the one which failed, sort of. Other ones are going well according to me. Anyways, if I show you the analytics of this channel, as you can see, the last 90 days, I started this in towards the end of June. This got 21,000 views, shown in feed 50,000, and got 56 subscribers ish. Now the swipe ratio of individual, if I show you, maybe I'll go to analytics. Yep, average view duration was I would say average view duration was good. This got 54% average view duration. This was 59%, got 1800 views. So I think this got 67% average view duration. So I believe the channel was working great, but suddenly somehow just YouTube just stopped promoting it altogether. So even this kind of picture could happen if you guys try YouTube automation. It's not it's all roses and everything is blissful, because it takes work. This is not I was getting some of it outsourced also, but it's not it's always gonna succeed. Sometimes things can go sideways, and this can happen. As you can see, this one got 70.5 average view duration, got 1200 views. So I believe I was hitting the mark with each video, but after a while I don't know what happened, and this YouTube just the last video I promoted, I launched, the last short got literally 1 view, because I didn't even watch it myself, and I don't know, someone watched it, and maybe a brother, and this video is not shown in feed. And if you look in the last 48 hours, this video got this channel got 7 views, which is really bad. Anyways, I'll be showing you how I have released more channels of mine. This is the one in particular that is not working. The other ones are working. So if you are interested in YouTube or a bit of YouTube automation altogether, you can also subscribe to my channel, or make money online in general. Please subscribe to this channel. Thank you.